Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are accessorizing the Bronco.
What you got, Kara?
So I've been like perturbed. I got this fancy like back cargo mat that is fabulous for just sliding stuff in and cleaning, and I don't have to worry about my upholstery underneath. But when you flop the back seats down, there's no covering. So I'm always worried about tearing it, ripping it, scraping it up.
You can kind of see a few scuffs on it.
Yeah, I mean, it's got, all kinds of stuff. So I'm working with Mabett and getting some covers for the back seats. I think this will help protect and just keep everything nice and clean back here. I mean, I know it's a rugged vehicle and I want to keep it clean. Weird concept, but it's what we're doing today. I also have a couple of other little accessories we are going to throw in as well. I'm learning quickly. Having a Bronco, there are so many accessories out there. Whether you're a pavement princess or you are a dirt rowdy, I don't know. There's all kinds of things for whatever you are using your Bronco for.
Okay, go ahead and open these up. Let's see what we got, Kara.
I guess small one first. We'll work our way up. So the first one is for the dash. So these are dash cubbies. Let's jump up there in front and I'll show you how these work because people who don't have a Bronco may have no idea. I typically leave my glasses here and they end up kind of sliding around. So these little cubbies slip in to our little grooves here. And they fit like perfectly. If I can get them right into place. Now, I think if I lay my glasses here, it's going to take a lot for them to move. And it just helps keep the dash clean. Whenever we take this thing off-road, there's always dust coming in. And so this will kind of help keep the dash clean. And pull them out, give them a little wash, throw them back in. They're going to be so nice. I may even get just maybe like some of that tacky putty or something like that just to kind of help secure these in place. The next little treasure that I got, I think is going to be really nice, especially on maybe those longer trips where we tend to have snacks and keys and extra phones and all that extra when we travel up in the dash. Let's go figure it out. So it's supposed to fit just like this, honestly. And maybe it needs to go the other way. Let's see. Over the grab bar and right in, oh, yep, that's the perfect fit right there. And maybe for Jesse, he may hit his leg here. I'm already pretty short. Seat's already up in my position. I did wonder about it hitting the seat, but it's perfect for me. I'm 5'2", and if you're shorter than me, they may not work. But case in point, we've got a couple of drinks in here. If we're in the bean, we usually have a set of keys. We've got chargers all over here. So Jesse's always like fumbling around with his phone. Where do I put it? And nice, perfect. This is a big phone, and it fits like perfect right there. This side, the same. I think this is going to be like a really nice little storage compartment. It does have the red stickies peel off and make it more of a permanent feature. And then it will slide. It'll be nice and snug right where you want it in place. I think that's going to be really handy. And on to our last piece, our big piece. These are the seat covers for the back. You can kind of see what I was talking about. Nice liner back here. It is seen some wear and tear. So it'll be good to have something like this on the back up there. First step to installing these is I am going to drop the seats. So I can access under here. Jesse's trying to figure us out. We do have the split seat, and we have all the little notches on the back of the seat that we need to match up. And from what I can tell, we kind of have the access up underneath there. There is the little notch right there for the seat belt.
Well, it just Velcros.
It does have a Velcro system to it. So if you did want to remove, you definitely can. And this is our big one. See, it's all cut out perfectly, so you can still access all your little tie-down spots. Super easy install, my goodness. And the last piece.
Well, watch.
Yeah, like I said, super easy install. Look at that. This one's got a little bend in it from shipping, so it may have to take a little time to flatten out. Look at that.
That is simple.
Simple, got clean design, easily movable if we want to do a little wash down. Jesse's gonna give us a little demo. Always throwing a chair in the back, and I'm always worried about scratching it, but now,
Yeah.
I mean, throw it in, I'm not gonna care. Maybe I need to get side panels too.
Do they have side panels?
Is that excessive?
If you want them, get them. I mean, if they Velcro on to this plastic, that'd be sweet.
Yeah,
But
no,
yeah, that way you can keep all this because it's getting scuffed up too.
it is.
Because we usually have this thing full when we go out camping with it. I mean,
Yeah,
it's just
When
coolers and-
we're being in it, yeah, the backside here sees a lot of attention. But guys, if you are looking for something for your Bronco, even the Sport Series, I'm sure even Raptor is accessible as well. But these are super nice. Once again, these are the Mabett or Mabett brand, and I am impressed.